I'm joined today by Jim Bishop from VJ Electronix. Nice to see you, Jim.
Yeah, nice to see you, Trevor.
Okay. I believe you've made some upgrades to the Summit SRT Rework System that you have. Tell us a little bit about what's happening there.
Right, sure. So, our customer base is familiar with the SRT Summit line of rework systems. We're starting to see more of a demand in having a fully automated solution. Mm-hmm. This really helps with overall yield. Gives the operator a better opportunity to be able to do the alignment automatically versus looking at the screen and doing manual alignment of the BGA back to the board.
Okay, and so how does that work? It basically works out the fiducials and then brings in the unit automatically and aligns them. Is that
right?
How it works?
Yeah, exactly. So the process engineer would be programming in a fiducial on the chip. Mm-hmm. Up 2 to 3 fiducials on the chip, also fiducials on the board, which allows them to then automatically align that BGA to the board without any intervention from the operator.
Right, okay. Now, one of the things that you find a lot in the industry is people are starting to use a lot of these low temperature solder boards, and they've got a chip or something, other large device that they've got to solder on the board that's maybe using either a different alloy or it's to be reflowed at a different temperature. I believe you've got different heater configurations that you can use to make that happen.
Right, yeah, so the Summit line does have a unique feature to it. So typically you'll see a bottom heater on a rework machine, which is used to condition the board, and then we have the top heater that's driving the heat down to the chip. But in the case with the Summit, we actually have what's called the third heater. It's a site heater that floats. It's another bottom small heater that floats over the bottom table heater, and we can bring that heater directly under the component that we're working on and drive more specific heat under the board. Right. So that way we're not necessarily having to drive such a hot temperature down through the nozzle to the chip in case of maybe damaging the chips or surrounding chips around it. So it gives us a lot more flexibility.
Yeah, so it saves damaging sensitive devices around it. So that's useful. Great. So the other thing that, of course, you've got a couple of other items in your stable that you're known for. You're known for the X-ray, the Apogee 90, which we spoke about with Dawn at the last show. But you've also, of course, got the component counter system. Have you seen a rise in the requirement for component counters since we've had COVID and all these supply chain issues? Yeah,
exactly. Especially with supply chain issues, the operations and inventory control is very important. Right. So they're looking to our machines to be able to make sure that they have the inventory correct when it's receiving into the facility, and of course once they're through doing their pick and place projects, they want to be able to place those components back into inventory and feel confident that they know exactly what they have for components.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. Okay, so Jim, we're a couple of months away from Apex, so what can we expect to see from VJ Electronix at Apex?
Yeah, we're looking forward to heading back to San Diego for Apex. I think, for the SMTA International, we've taken kind of a nimble approach. We've left some of our equipment behind, but we're going to be bringing a piece of our Summit line, the 2200i, along with one of our X-Quick counters and the Apogee 90 that we discussed a little bit earlier. So we're looking forward to bringing that equipment and having everybody able to see that firsthand.
Great. So you're going to have a full stable of equipment at Apex next year. So we'll look forward to that and catching up with you in San Diego.
All right. See you then.
Thank you.
Nordson Electronic Solutions. Everything you need for precision automated fluid dispensing, conformal coating, plasma surface treatment, and selective soldering. Our passion is helping customers take their processes further, faster, with best-in-class technologies, dedicated global sales and support teams, and unmatched applications expertise. From the names you respect, Assemtec fluid dispensing and conformal coating, March plasma treatment, and Select for selective soldering, we offer years of experience in advanced technology solutions for electronics manufacturing. Take your electronics assembly process further, faster.